Hello, hello guys, you're welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to get started with using the SQL Server. Okay, so here is our default settings, SQL Server default settings. So here we have the database engine, and then we have our server name over here. We can just click on connect to connect to the server. Okay, so once you're done connecting to the server, so you can now see the databases over here, where we have the plus sign here. We have the databases. So this is where we have list of data contained in this server. Okay, so once you click on the plus sign, it will open and show you the list of data in this database. Okay, so if you click on one data, let's say pass and post data, and then we'll see list of tables, views. So let's just click on table and see the list of tables in this data. So if you look down here, you'll see the list of um, tables over here. We have the DBO account, the orders table, we have the region table. So this sign that you see here shows that it's a table. Okay, using this sign, it shows that this is a table. Okay, so we have 5 tables in this data. Okay, so if you click on one of them, let's say the account tables, you see we have the column, the keys, the constants, orders, indices, statistics. So let's just click on the column and see a list of columns in this data. So we have here the ID, we have the name column, the website, the latitude, the longitude, the primary port, the sales rep ID. These are a list of columns in this table called account. So if we just head on to new query, this is where you click on before you start writing any query. We cannot write any query in this interface, so you have to click on new query. It's opening. So once the new query is open, so this is the environment where we can write our query and then we run it. Okay, so let's just start writing some query and see what we have. Let's say we say select star, and then we say from, or let's say orders table. Orders is a table in the Patch and Posse database. So to run this table, you have to highlight it, and then you come to execute. So once you click execute, it will run. But the problem now is you can notice that we have orders table on the line we read, showing that there's an error somewhere. Okay, so we can come to this point. At this point, this is where you choose the data that you're going to work with. Okay, so you have to set the data over there. Which data are you working with? So the server doesn't understand which data are you using. So that's why the server underlined this array. So let's choose the data that we're going to work with. Let's say patch and posse data. Okay, so that's patch and posse data. So once we have said that, now you can notice that the red line is no more, showing that now we are on the right track, showing that this order table is contained in this data called patch and posse. So when you just click on execute or F5, you click on execute or you click on F5 in your keyboard. Okay, so let's just click on execute. Okay, so you can notice down here we see the output. This is the result of the query that you just ran. Okay, these are the list of columns in this table. We have the ID, account ID, or called as a best ceiling. These are columns and rows contained in this table called orders. Okay, so you can see from this instruction over here, table, patch and posse, DBO orders. Okay, so if you finish writing your query and let's say you want to save, you can type Control S, or you come over here and save your document over here, or you want to take your previous document, previous queries that you've done, you just click on open, then come over to file. This is where you can access your previous documents. Okay, so these are list of documents and projects that I've done. So you just click on it and then it will open to your previous project. Okay, so you can also use tools here to help you cut, to copy, paste, undo, redo. These are tools that you can try out and it will help you out. It's kind of a shortcut that helps you get your work done faster and better. Okay, so this is the end of this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.